Hey guys, it's another translating things. Okay, we're gonna be singing. I personally gonna be singing an English song, and Kamsi Yachuku here, who is the first contestant, is gonna be translating it in Igbo for you guys. You people will start paying, you will start paying for this Igbo when we teach you. Let's go there. I love you. You love me. We are happy family.
Aibu iruna lechasi umuna.
Okay, Aibu iluna lechasi umunani. Aibu iluna lechasi umunani. Okay, atabakwa. Yeah. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you.
With a huggy. Mwah to mwah.
Eh?
With a huggy. Mwah.
Okay, with the huggy, and then mwah. With the huggy, and then in a super. Won't you say you love me too?
Makagini ipulo ifumu anya tu.
You see?
Makagini ipulo ifumu anya tu.
Okay, makagini ipulo ifumu anya tu. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Let us invite the second contestant. Delicious! Expensive one. Let's go there. Are you ready? Yes. I love you.
Fulugi anya.
Okay. Fulugi anya. Alright. You love me.
Ifulumua anya.
Pardon?
Ifulumua anya.
Okay, ifulumua anya. Alright. We are happy family.
Family.
Eh?
Family.
Okay, let's say family. Yeah, with a great big hug.
With a great big family. With a great big family.
With a great big family?
Yes.
No, with a great big hug.
With a great big daughter.
With a great big
daughter.
Okay, with a great big daughter. Alright, and a kiss from me to you.
And a from
And a kiss from me to you.
And a from Mua to Giwa.
Okay, and a from Mua to Giwa. Won't you say you love me too?
Won't Giwa say Fulumua anya too?
Okay, you want to go and say Fulumua anya too? Hey, thank you for coming. Expensive one. Let us invite contestant number 3. Zitefrida, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go there. I love you.
Fulugi ezibo anya.
Okay, Fulugi ezibo anya. I love you. Fulugi ezibo. Okay, you love me.
Fulumo ezibo anya.
Okay, we are happy family. Imunna. Kedu nke obo abu? Umunna. Okay. We are happy family.
Umunna.
Umunna. Hey, umunna. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you.
With a agagi amechiro and mwa from mwa to mwa.
With akagi again.
Amechiro.
Okay, with akagi amechilo and again.
Mwa to mwa.
Hey! Won't you say you love me too?
Imansi ifulumu ezibanya itu.
Hey! Ndewonu. Ọ bụrụ na ife anyị na-eme na-amasị gị biko metụrụ anyị aka na share button ma sonyekwala anyị ka ife anyị na-eme wee na-enwe isi. One love.